Lesson 411, Oklahoma Essentials. Fahrenheit and Celsius reference temperatures. When reading a thermometer, a device to measure temperature, we have reference temperatures to help guide our understanding of what temperature we're feeling or we're reading. These references include freezing point of saltwater solution, freezing point of pure water, room temperature, body temperature, and boiling point of pure water. We primarily use the Fahrenheit side of the thermometer, while most of the world uses Celsius to judge their reference temperatures. So on this page right here, I actually have the degrees in Fahrenheit and Celsius for each one of these reference points on this scale. Okay, so we can see that boiling water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit and 100 degrees Celsius. So these are the same. However, one's measured in Fahrenheit, one's measured in Celsius. Body temperature, 98.6 Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. Room temperature, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius. Freezing point of pure water, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. This is like snow or freezing rain, so snow. Freezing point of saltwater solution, 0 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 18 degrees Celsius. So this is like if I had a saltwater solution, so I put salt in some water and drop the temperature down to either 0 degrees Fahrenheit, which is negative 18 degrees Celsius, it would freeze. Okay, so let's use this information that we have on this screen to help us with this activity. So Fahrenheit and Celsius reference temperatures. So I have the same chart over here to the left on my screen. I have to use this chart for numbers 1 through 6 to answer these questions. Okay, so these temperatures showed both the Fahrenheit and Celsius scales. Key reference temperatures are marked. Use the thermometers to help you answer the questions. 1. So we're only going to do one of these, and then I'm going to have you do the rest. Number 1, what is the difference in degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius between the boiling and freezing points of pure water? So I have to do two things. I have to figure out the difference in Fahrenheit and figure out the difference in Celsius between the boiling and freezing points of pure water. Well, if I use my pen, let's do Fahrenheit first. So the boiling point of pure water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Now, what is the freezing point? 32 degrees. So difference says that I need to subtract. So 2 minus 2 is 0. I can't take 3 from 1, so this becomes a 1. This becomes an 11. That's an 8. And this becomes a 1. So the difference in Fahrenheit would be 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Now, I've got to take the same information, but just in Celsius now. So, in Celsius, my boiling point is 100 degrees. And then I subtract what it is freezing. So, this would be 0 freezing for pure water right here. So, I subtract that, I get 100. So, the difference is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay? All right, so now you need to go through and read off each one of these questions, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then once you've done that, I'll give you back the reference of this page right here to use as a reference guide in order to answer those pages and those questions. Okay, if you have any more questions, reach out to your teacher. They should be able to help you. All right, good luck, guys. Bye.